Earlier on at the briefing, the ranger told us not to leave food unattended. Now I see why.
I told you. What? He stole the chips.
Boy, gone right in front of it. I was wondering why these birds are hanging around near us in such a close proximity. But they're on a mission to separate food from unsuspecting hikers.